I'm going to first start off with the mini Sawyer. It is similar to the Life Straw if you ever had that or you know what this is. However, the way this works is it has a bag it comes with, which is what I'm going to show you in a minute, is you fill it up with the water and then you take this straw filtration system and you stick it on to the cap and then you are going to push it out. So that's how it goes. It also comes with a straw too that you could suck it out of, but I don't have that out right now. Also, this cap is the same size as a water bottle cap. Therefore, if this were to be lost, this bag, or you were to break it, as long as you have another bottle that is the size of a water bottle cap, this would still fit on it and it would work. So great for hiking, great for camping, great in emergency situations. So how this works is you take this bag, fill it up. After the bag's full, you take this, you screw it on. Alright. Now normally you would either have a bucket or another water bottle, but I'm just going to show you how it works. Flip it upside down and you would just squeeze it out and this would filter out.
Few reasons why the mini Sawyer is so amazing is because it's rated up to 100,000 filtered gallons of water, versatile, removes 99.9% of bacteria, and the clarity you get when you pour. Sky Design Live approves.